decongesting our minds and seeking answers. Message from the Arcturians. I was making a connection when my dear Arcturians brothers brought to my mind the phrase, decongesting their minds and seeking their responses, and decided to talk about it. Greetings Stellar dear sister, and all who receive these messages. We are the Arcturians and we welcome everyone in the frequency of love and light. Recently shared the need to begin to relieve their minds and seek their answers. There is a large accumulation of information on you, brought by messages, teachings and shares. Every container when full does not allow anything to be put into it. And many of you are completely inundated with information that are not being processed and not used to their advantage and benefit of others. The purpose of information and brought energy has as its main focus, assists them in their learning process and transition to other dimensions. We must begin to observe the information received through introspection, mental silence, and begin to activate this information. The point, dear brothers, is to examine its bank's internal data and observe how they can use the information they already have. We note that you are still confused, searching for information on this, and external search process needs to be decreased. They must understand that the information they receive through belief should not be accessed because their realities today are inconsistent with the information received. You received new information, so that they could replace the previous ones, so they must not encourage the search for its past. The amount of information brought has as one goal to show that there is a multitude of possibilities for each situation experience, and they decide the best answer needs silence their minds. Many of you are already able to exercise their own mastery, being their own masters, because I absorb the information and the energy they need. And when they take their inner power, access the information they need and respond to every situation with understanding and balance, and with that activate the internal alignment process, allowing the flow manifest what they want. The more calm down their minds over the flow manifest what they want. The time is now to transform, change and evolve. The time will come that the information will cease and they will have to use what they have learned. We suggest you start now to seek their responses internally. Thank you for once again we can share with you. We welcome everyone in the frequency of love and light. We are the Arcturians.